Welcome to Seeds for Change, a podcast hosted by the Institute for Applied Ecology. The Institute for Applied Ecology, or IAE for short, is a conservation nonprofit organization based in Oregon and New Mexico. The mission of the Institute for Applied Ecology is to conserve native species and habitats through restoration, research, and education. The goal of this podcast is to hear from all the voices of our very own IAE staff and explore the work that they do. New episodes debut monthly, and in each you'll hear from staff across all of our programs, from ecologists to technicians to farmers to educators and more. So, if you are interested in learning more about conservation research or habitat restoration or plant materials or ecological education, be sure to stick around and tune in for the next episode.